So there are plenty of policies that will pay for hail damage to shingles, but won't pay for hail damage to the metal components of the roof. And sometimes it extends to other metal components like gutters, which they might even say is part of the roof covering in their definitions. Farmers is one of those. They won't pay for marring unless the marring is caused by hail. And they won't pay for marring caused by hail if it's to metal roofing components. And marring is, in essence, defined as cosmetic damages. So for that kind of a policy, you may have dents inside the vents that don't get paid for, even if they will pay for the marring to the asphalt shingles. That's okay. That's the way the policy is written. So you have to prove that there is more than marring that has occurred in order to get them to approve those metal roof vents that have been dented by hail. Sometimes there are hail events that definitely crush those vents and prevent exhausting from those vents. There's a certain amount of airflow that's supposed to pass through those. If you can prove to them that the airflow has been reduced, then that is more than just marring, which is pitting, scratching, gouging, things along those lines. If you've reduced its functionality in some way, then they would have to pay for that because it's more than marring, and they would still pay for damages caused by hail. So keep in mind, policies will say something about metal roofing components not being covered, and you need to be able to know that that's there. About the easiest thing you can do when you get a policy, just to identify if that is one of the exclusions, is to search for the word roof and find everything in the policy that is tied to roofing systems. You're also going to find everything that has the word proof in it, but that's just the way that that works. You do have to prove that there was more than marring in these situations in order to get that paid for. Woo, come on, Light.